Hello everyone, welcome to our educational channel, and as all we know that new session has been started, that is from April 2022. Education is the all-round development of the student. There is a space setting institute between the school and the per-curricular activities. School takes care of developing the personality of the student. School has taught that every power is with them. They can do anything, they can do anything. That's why school preparing for the competitive exams such as Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sainik School as well as NTSC exams. And every Saturday there is an activity, and by these activities students preparing for the competitive exams, and by these activities there is an all-round development of the student. They physically grow, socially grow, and as well as they mentally grow. And when they physically, mentally and socially grow, after that there is an all-round development of each and every student. And our main motto is to participate each and every student in these activities. So under my supervision or under my guidance, our dedicated and devoted staff do a lot of hard work for the welfare of the students, and they're preparing for the arithmetic mean, mental ability as well as other topics for the welfare of the student. And for a long time our many students clearing the competitive exams, and there is no hard work for the substitute. No doubt you are working hard. There is no substitute for the hard work. So let us start with our video that is conducted by our dedicated and devoted staff for the welfare of the student under my supervision or under my guidance. So let us start with our video that is related.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Welcome to once again in Saturday activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ravina and Mahi, stand up. What is this, beta?
And chocolate.
This is your chocolate. And I have to break in two parts. Yes, break and split into two parts. Yes. Half for Mahi and half for Ravina. When anything divided into two parts and any parts, this half and this half, this is known as fraction. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So today we will discuss about fraction and its type. This is flow chart of fraction and its types. Do you know about fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Itcher, stand up and explain this chart.
Fractions is not a whole thing. It is a part of something.
Yes, fraction
Fraction is not a whole thing.
Fraction is not a whole thing. It is a
It is a part of something.
yes. अभी आपने क्या देखा? एक चॉकलेट देखी, वो एक क्या था? होल पार्ट को आपने क्या किया? टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. एक पार्ट रवीना ने खाया और एक पार्ट माही ने खाया.
There are three types of fraction. Proper fraction.
There are
Three types of fraction.
three types of fraction. First is
Proper fraction. Example: 3/4. Improper fraction. Example: 11/4. Mixed fraction. Example: 2 into 1/2. I am explain one by one.
first is proper fraction.
A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator. Example, 1 upon 2. 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. And second,
Yes, students, define proper fraction. Yes, what is proper fraction? Of example 8. Yes, beta. Example 1 is what type of fraction?
Improper fraction.
Yes. Speak loudly, beta. Yes. What type of fraction?
Improper fraction.
Improper
Fraction.
fraction. Very good. And why it is called improper fraction? Yes, Ridhima, give answer. Yes.
Because
numerator is very good.
denominator.
Yes, very good. Because where numerator is greater than the
Denominator.
denominator. Very good, beta. Yes. Go to your seat. Yes, next example seen on the board. 12 upon 6. What type of fraction? Yes, example 2. Yes, Arush. Yes, write the answer on the board. This is? Yes, what type of fraction is?
Improper fraction.
Improper fraction. Very good. Why it is called improper fraction?
Because the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Very good, beta. Go to your seat. Yes, example 3rd is here. Yes. What type of this example? Yes, Harsh, come here and write the answer.
this is called mixed fraction.
This is
Called mixed fraction.
mixed fraction. Very good. Why it is called mixed fraction? Why it is called mixed fraction?
The whole number was
Yes,
combined together.
when whole number
Was combined. When whole number and fraction combined together.
very good. When whole number and fraction are combined.
This is called mixed fraction.
This is
Called mixed fraction.
mixed fraction. Very good. Why it is called mixed fraction? Why it is called mixed fraction?
The whole number was
Yes,
combined together.
when whole number
Was combined. When whole number and fraction combined together.
very good. When whole number and fraction are combined together is called as mixed
Mixed
fraction.
fraction.
Very good, beta. Go to your seat. Next example is 4 upon 5. Yes, what type of example? Yes. Answer this. Kritish. Yes, write the answer. This is? This is? Very good. Proper? Very good. This is proper? Why it is called proper fraction? Yes, give answer.
Because numerator is less than the denominator.
Because numerator is less than the denominator. Very good, beta. Go to your seat. This is all about fraction and its type. Are you enjoying this activity? Yes. Are you enjoying this activity? Yes. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.